In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable QR code on Zoho Invoices. We'll walk through the exact settings you need to check so that QR codes no longer appear on your invoices. I'll go slowly and explain what you're seeing on screen so you can follow along in your own Zoho account. First, open your web browser and log into your Zoho Invoice account. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has permission to change organization settings, usually an admin or someone with similar access. Once you're logged in, you should land on the Zoho Invoice home or dashboard page. This is where you typically see an overview of your invoices, recent activity, and other key information. From this dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon, which represents settings. It's usually near your profile picture or organization name. Click on this gear icon. This opens the main settings area where you can control things like taxes, templates, preferences, and more for your invoices. Inside the settings section, look for the option labeled Invoices. In some layouts, this might appear under a broader heading like Preferences or Transaction Settings, but you're specifically looking for the Invoices Preferences page. Go ahead and click on Invoices to open the detailed settings related to how your invoices behave and what appears on them. Once you're on the Invoices Preferences page, scroll through the available options until you find the one related to QR codes. This is usually presented as a toggle switch or checkbox that controls whether QR codes are shown on your invoice PDFs or printed copies. If QR codes are currently enabled, the toggle will be turned on. To disable QR codes, simply click that toggle to turn it off. When you do this, Zoho will stop adding QR codes to any new invoices you generate from this point forward. It's a good idea to save your changes if there is a save or update button at the bottom or top of the page. Some versions save automatically, but to be safe, look for a confirmation message or a small notification that your preferences have been updated. After saving, you can test it quickly, create or preview an invoice, and confirm that the QR code no longer appears.